episode of Chopped, we have two contestants, Chef Fiona and Chef Athena. They will be going head-to-head in this burger battle, and only one can be the Chopped champion.
Hi, my name is Athena. I've competed 2 times in the season, and I am the daughter of a master chef.
Hello, my name is Fiona, and I've been cooking for less than a year. I'm excited to win against Athena, and I prepared by, sleeping and getting my energy up so I won't sleep during the competition.
So I got my ground beef with some cut up vegetables and some seasoning and mixed it together. I squished it together to make a patty, and inside the patty there's some provolone cheese. And then I put another patty on top, so it's like a patty cheese patty.
So the first thing I did was season my beef and made sure it was thoroughly seasoned. And then I set that aside and made sure all my other preparations were done.
20 minutes on the clock.
Who's gonna butter my buns?
Well, butter them somewhere else. You are the only one who needs to butter buns. Oh, Bomb thinks she owns this kitchen? Excuse me? This is a show where we share. And she thinks she owns everything. We only have 3 pans, and one's super small. And she decides to take both of them that are big? Like, excuse me? Who does she think she is?
That's what I said. Who do you think you are?
Fight me!
This episode of Chopped is heating up.
Actually, this is a big misunderstanding because Fiona doesn't deserve any of these 2 trays because she was gonna toast her buns anyways in the oven. The only pan that she needs is to cook her patties. But you could do that in a small pan too. Well, I had to toast my buns on the pan.
What are you making right now?
I am making a buttered bun with butter.
A buttered bun with butter, okay.
So right now I'm heating up a bun so I can bake it crispy, and then next I'm gonna do this one. And the other thing I'm doing is heating up my patties. And yeah.
I burnt the buns. No! Dang it! I burnt the buns. What am I supposed to do? I burnt the buns.
Wasted! Oh my gosh, you're gonna cause like the fire alarm to go off.
Where's the... No! Honestly, I can't really do it.
Oh my god, I smell the burnt.
Guys, what happened? Stop laughing at me and help me! Bro! What am I gonna do? It's 9:40, so at 9:40.
Oh, my eyes are burned.
Exactly. Fiona, you're not the only one here.
I was like, should I just scrape it off? Should I restart? Should I steal other buns? I'm like, wait a minute, that's all stupid. I'll just remake it, re-butter it, and put it in, because that would be the fastest time. I have to re-butter my new bread because I burnt it to a very hard crisp earlier. And I'm on a race of time because my burger patties are gonna get cold. Take 2.
Okay, chefs, 30 more minutes left on the clock.
Bro, I'm already gonna freaking.
Oh my gosh, this is a broken thing.
Dive into recovery. Waiting on a magic.
Wait, turn the exhaust fan on.
Whoa! It's nice.
Oh, it was
How
already
much
on.
creates itself?
Chicken, explain to me what's happening in your brain.
Well, the meat buns were too salty. I accidentally added too much salt. But if I caramelize onions, I can kind of hopefully even out or balance out the salty and sweet.
So right now I'm preparing my second line of burgers.
Excuse me, sorry.
And I'm gonna use these 2 as my sauce. Sauce is made out of banana ketchup, spicy banana ketchup, and mayonnaise.
Well, my buns just got out. It's a bit burnt, but like it's my desired burntness. I might have added not enough oil, but I don't want to overwork. I put in the patty grease so there's more flavor. From what I saw from Gordon Ramsay, he added paprika and brown sugar. So hopefully it ain't gonna go bad. So then I also don't know what I'm gonna
Oh
do.
my gosh, this looks like a ball in a patty.
Now that it's somewhat clear, I didn't cut the pieces properly.
I need a tomato. So I'm gonna cut up a tomato for my toppings. So I assembled my burger with the bun, my secret sauce, lettuce, tomato, and then my patty. And then I'm gonna put this top on. Ta-da. That looks funky, but let me just hide that.
Where's the mayonnaise? Where's the cover?
Chef Fiona, your onions, have you checked them?
Yeah, they're okay.
Yes, you have 15 more minutes left on the clock.
Trying to put lettuce on my burger.
How's it going?
Honestly, could be better. But could be worse. So, you know. All I have to do now is do my final touches and I'm done.
On this patty meltdown, two chefs went head-to-head to claim the title as Chomp Champion. It will be judged on their presentation and taste.
I saw you put all your spices in your meat. It looked really good.
Really, thank you. I while making, I'm like, oh, I'm not sure if I should do this. But at the end, I think it's gonna be okay. With your burger, I saw you add a bunch of random not really random, but the one really weird one was your cucumber. But other than that, I think your burger looked really yummy, and you were really composed throughout the thing.
Tonight is Roel Saldia. Roel, how do you feel about these burgers today?
Well, first of all, this is my second attempt to be the judge of these two fellas in my back. So I already have experience in tasting, so this is the moment, and for me looks good. It's so juicy on both sides.
Judge, I have my panic burger because while making it, I was panicking a lot.
The regular one is just plain brown, but if you put extra heat, extra effort right there. I'm gonna try this one first. Before I eat it, I like the lettuce, tomato, onions.
Yes, so what I've done for you, Chef, Judge, is that I've chopped the lettuce so it's not as messy as it is. And then because I might have added too much salt in the burger, in the patty, I added caramelized onion. But the thing is though, you took the piece where most of the onions on this side, because this is the bigger half.
I'm gonna try it.
This is the moment.
Probably you put some ingredients in your
Yes,
patty.
I did salt and pepper, and then I added garlic into it. Stop eating it!
Good.
Okay, wait, you still have to eat more.
So the name of my burger is called the Double Patties because on my patty it's a one thin layer patty with patty meat with provolone cheese in the middle and then patty on top. So it's like a sandwich but with patties and cheese. Sandwich.
Is your patty have some ingredients on it?
Yeah.
Or?
So it's
What do you-
ground beef with salt and pepper, with garlic powder, onions, and cucumber.
So, what about your lettuce? Did you cook that?
No, it's freshly grown lettuce.
Where, in your backyard or in Aldi?
Aldi.
That's
Actually, no, Kroger.
Okay. Can I try your burger
Go
now?
ahead.
Okay, let me observe first your burger. Oh, the patty is like a double burger to me. That's so big. Wow. Okay, it's a regular burger, lettuce, tomatoes, and what's the cheese you put here?
Provolone. With my secret sauce.
Not polvoron.
Provolone.
All right. Okay. Oh, the patty is double burger here. Oh, the seasoning is good. I like the patty here. But burger, it reminds me in the clubhouse that we have in the Philippines. This is the taste of the burger. I like it.
Both of you guys exceeded expectations. You showed us the flavor and the seasonings inside the meat to make it really come alive. And unfortunately, one of you guys have to go home. And this episode of Chop. Sorry, Chef Fiona.
Okay, I really enjoyed the taste of my burger.
Coming back from work, we have a professional, real judge to judge the burgers.
Okay, it looked good. The burger.
It was better when it was warmer.
The steak looked good also. This one, appearance wise, is okay. Let me try. Oh, okay. This one has no taste at all. This one is good.
What do you mean there's no taste?
I told you there's no taste.
No? Yes?
Who burned the bread?
Okay, that's me.
At first, when I knew that I lost, I was actually kind of upset knowing that I actually should have won. That sounds conceited, but let's be honest. But as a real professional judge came in and tasted our burgers, she knew I won, knowing by the flavors and the technique. I should always look at the real judge and not the amateur judge.
Bro, that's not how you cut the tomato!
Bro, give it to me!
Oh my god! How did you feel when your buns were burning?
Where's the boutique?
What? Have 10 more minutes left!
Liar!
Really?
Even better than Mama!